Hi guys, welcome back to your channel. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Nelson Chamisa has assured citizens that help is on the way. The people of Zimbabwe have been waiting for the people's president to speak and tell people the way forward, but he's been quiet. Since the press conference last week, he said nothing. If they wanted to contest at the Concord, they were supposed to do so in 7 days, but they did not. And ZANU-PF is busy with the inauguration proceedings. So guys, the tweet says, help is on the way. Be of good cheer, Zimbabwe. He did this so all the nations of the earth might know that the Lord's hand is powerful, and so you might fear the Lord your God forever. The netizens are divided. Nelson Chamisa, we trusted you and we waited upon you, but what tricks do you have up your sleeves?